anyway.
When you left home for work with your bag, I wasn't sure that you'd ever come back. And I guess I fucked up cause you came home so sad. Okay, I'll never piss on the carpet again. Now we spend all our nights in your car. I'll fall asleep while I'm hearing you talk about second opinions and nurses and charts. I'm not sure what that means, so I slowly doze off. Can we pause right here, right now?
Oh my
While
god.
everyone I love is still in my house. No one's calling the cops cause we're fighting too loud.